Want to see something really amazing?
Imagine if you could see things that are usually invisible. Tiny things. Some from far away in deepest space.
Yes, imagine that these invisible particles are constantly zipping through the room all around you. Well, they're always there, but you can't see them. It's amazing, but true. Like a steady, invisible, driving rain, these tiny particles flow constantly onto the earth and through you and me. Look down inside the glass case and see the trails inside the chamber. All these trails come from natural sources, and no radioactive elements are placed in the chamber.
So, where do they come from?
There are three main sources. From the Earth's natural radioactivity that occurs as atoms decay and give off particles. Radon, the naturally occurring radioactive gas, is an example. And from the sun, where a flow of particles, called the solar wind, races out from the sun in all directions. And from distant objects in deep space. Like supernova explosions. The death of giant stars. These particles, called cosmic rays, are moving at almost the speed of light. They break into many solar particles when they enter Earth's atmosphere.
How do we make the invisible particles appear so you can see them as they pass through the chamber?
The cosmic trails can be seen because, as the particles go through the chamber, they turn clear alcohol vapor into tiny droplets of alcohol that are visible.
What do the different tracks mean?
Each kind of particle leaves a distinct track in the chamber. Here are 4 examples. The big blobs are alpha particles, made up of 2 protons and 2 neutrons. The thin straight lines are high-speed electrons. The thin curly lines are low-speed electrons that collide with other particles. The bright straight lines are protons, and these are rarely seen. Sometimes you may catch a glimpse of an unusual track caused by a collision of particles. Want to learn more?
How does the chamber work?
Let's take a look. The chamber works as the cosmic particles turn clear alcohol vapor into droplets that can be seen.
Are there radioactive sources placed under the glass?
There are no radioactive sources in the chamber. All the tracks you see come from natural sources. This is known as background radiation. The chamber is sealed with 2 layers of glass. The top of the chamber is seated to evaporate alcohol and turn it into clear vapor. See the wires on the inner glass case. You can see the alcohol dripping into troughs at the top right corner of the chamber. The bottom plate is cooled to -22 degrees Fahrenheit, making the vapor tend to condense into liquid droplets. When cosmic particles enter the chamber through the glass or appear inside the chamber as a result of radioactive decay, they disturb electrons in the alcohol molecules and cause the alcohol to form tiny droplets. These droplets become the trails we see. They are like vapor trails behind jets.
Why do these particle trails matter?
Well, they show us that pieces of atoms exist throughout the universe. And the particles also tell us things about our planet and the life that thrives here. For example, the intensity of the particles in the solar wind is one of the several factors affecting Earth's climate. These particles can affect the genetic material in living things. They can also have an impact on evolution of species. Fortunately, the Earth's and the Sun's magnetic fields shield life on Earth from a good portion of the cosmic rays that would otherwise strike Earth. We have looked at several types of particles, but many other kinds may appear. Stay and gaze for a while. You are looking through a window into the universe.